fine, thank you, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
I'm doing good as well. Thank you so much. How's your day going? Hello. Kanishk, I guess there are some network issues on your place because the video is stuck. Hello, can you hear me? Can you please check if your network is proper because your video is stuck and I can't hear you at all.
My connection was okay.
Your connection is still unstable because your video is stuck. I can't hear you. And I can't even see you properly. आपकी voice बहुत टूट टूट के आ रही है. Your voice is breaking a lot.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you, but your video is stuck, Kanish. If possible, turn off your video because your connection is unstable only.
Now can you see me?
2 minute video चल रही फिर stuck हो जा रही. हाँ, I guess this will work better. Okay, yes. How was your day?
Ma'am, it is going normal. I have done nothing till now. Just my press on.
Okay. Okay. And how's everything in Delhi? Are you guys still following the curfew and lockdown? Hello. Hello, Kanish, can you hear me?
Video is stuck.
Hello, can you hear me? Kanish,
Yes.
can you hear me? Yes. So I was asking, how's the situation is in Delhi? Is everything okay? Are you still following curfew and lockdown? Or is everything back to normal?
Ma'am, we are following the rules which are given by the government, but the COVID-19 is not going from Delhi. The situation is very tricky, very, you could say, the situation is not in our hand right now because
It's getting worse.
in our apartment, some of the people are not positive, but all the people are positive in our apartment.
Majority of them are positive. You mean to say
Yes,
that?
ma'am, because we know someone, like we know other people through that.
Okay, yes. Got it. Okay, apparently by the grace of God, everything over here is getting better. I mean, बहुत कम cases आ रहे हैं यहाँ पे तो and everyone is getting cure and everyone's getting vaccination and everything is going very well here. So in Gujarat, the situation is getting way better than it was before. Literally way better than it was before. So that is a good thing. And we are also not having lockdown or curfews as such. What is the timing of your curfew? Curfew at Delhi?
Oh,
Hello?
yeah. Could you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you properly now. पहले दूर से आवाज आ रही थी अब ठीक से आ रही है. Yes.
Yeah. So in Delhi, there is lockdown, so no curfew is there.
Okay, so completely you have to stay at home only.
Yes, ma'am.
And everything is shut off.
Ma'am, you could buy grocery, like you have to order online, or you could.
You can. Food is used for past tense, can is used for present. So you can.
Okay, you can call the store and order something from there, or you can order something from online shopping like Grofers.
Big
and
basket. Yes. Got it.
Big basket. Do that.
Oh, okay. I thought कि you guys are having curfew के रात के इतने बजे से लेके इतने बजे
No,
तक.
ma'am.
complete lockdown only. Here
It
to
was just for starting.
acha acha acha. Over here we are having complete what curfew only, no lockdown. Here all the restaurants are open, cafes are open, but only for the delivery. You cannot go and eat at that place. You can get it home.
Yes, ma'am, that same thing I'm saying. And ma'am,
Hmm?
I think the situation in Gujarat is okay then because they are opening all the things.
Situation is Gujarat was very 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 bad in the beginning. सबसे ज़्यादा cases were there in Gujarat only. But अभी तो सबसे अच्छी situation is in Gujarat. Even though when we were having like very bad situation, we didn't have lockdown. हमारे वहाँ पे lockdown हुआ ही नहीं था. We only had curfew, and that was it.
Oh,
अभी भी all this grocery stores, then medical stores, everything was open over here. BB, everything
oh,
is open over here. Even you know the supermarkets, D Mart hai, फिर Reliance Mart hai,
oh,
Star Bazaar, everything is open over here. So you can go, you can buy your groceries from there also. So everything is open over here. All we had was just curfew. So at what 7 o'clock in the evening to 7 o'clock in the morning. So for 12 hours, everything used to get shut off. And till now also we are having that curfew. That's it. Nothing else. But you know the good thing about here is कि गवर्नमेंट ने हमें कर्फ्यू नहीं दिया था, लॉकडाउन नहीं दिया था. गवर्नमेंट ने हमें सिर्फ कर्फ्यू ही दिया था. बट यहाँ के लोगों ने यूनिटी करके लाइक दे डिसाइडेड and they formed a unity and they decided that we will keep our stores and shops and everything closed for our own safety. So that is why you know situation is better over here. I don't think Delhi में ऐसा है.
yes, ma'am. The situation in Delhi, Dwarka, it is very bad.
Acha, tell me one thing.
Yeah.
We are having COVID since last what 1.5 years now, I guess. So, what do you think? Whom shall we, blame for this? The citizens of India who are not, following exact guidelines what the government has given to us, or the government of India who is not giving us proper guidelines? What, according to you,
Government.
should be government? Why?
Because the government is not providing all the things because, ma'am, uh, Narendra Modi ji is making a house
Hmm.
of 13,400 or 500 something crore house
Hmm.
in this situation,
Oh,
and he is even not helping other people.
people. Hmm. Okay. So, what do you think? What changes should be done to, to tackle the
That, ma'am,
situation?
he's he's alone. He, his marriage is not done. So what will he what will he do of this three sorry 13,000 crore house?
What 13,000 crore worth house?
He is just showing his that I'm having a lot of money. This is like that only.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Because if he buys beds from that 13,000 crore, so it would be a lot of help for India.
Okay. So, see, the same situation was there in what do we say? Italy. Yes, the same situation was there in Italy,
Yeah,
and they have
but
cured
Italy, but
corona.
Italy was very bad situation.
Exactly, the situation was even worse in Italy, but they have cured the corona within 9 to 12 months. अभी वहाँ पे there's no corona. होगा भी तो इतना नहीं है. It's very much tackled over there. So what do you think? उन्होंने ऐसा तो क्या किया होगा जो हम नहीं कर पा रहे? What changes do you think we should be having?
I don't know.
You must be having some perspective of yourself, right?
Yeah,
Yes. What are your perspective in this? What shall be done? कुछ तो आपकी भी इंसाइट होगी कि नहीं मैम इसकी जगह
we
ऐसा
should
होना
we
चाहिए.
should we should live in our house only. we should not go out from our house, and the government should help all the all the people in the city, and
Hmm.
mm,
Yeah.
I want that this India, this city, should be now in control, because in 2020 Modi ji Modi ji done a lockdown.
Modi
Did
ji
a
has,
lockdown.
yes, Modi ji did a lockdown, yes. Or you can say Modi ji imposed a lockdown.
Imposed a lockdown, and now even he is not doing the lockdown in India, because now only Kejriwal ji is doing lockdown in Delhi, because this lockdown is for Delhi only. But if Modi ji will do so, it would be for the entire world.
Country.
Yes, ma'am, entire country.
Hmm. Yes, yes. Hmm. So like now you are so done with this lockdown and staying at home that you want कि बस एक बार complete lockdown करो सब ठीक करो और हमको बाहर निकलने दो, right?
Ma'am, because if there would be complete lockdown, no one would go out of their house.
But don't you think that, see, let me be very honest, okay? Currently, for example, ठीक है, currently आपके दिल्ली में है 1,000 cases, okay? 1,000 people are admitted in the hospital. अब 1,000 तो ऑलरेडी घर के बाहर है, हॉस्पिटल में एडमिटेड. वो 1,000 को क्योर करने के लिए 500 नर्स एंड डॉक्टर्स बाहर है. ये हो गए 1,500. अब वो 1,000 के एक एक फैमिली मेंबर वुड ऑल्सो कम आउट ऑफ द हाउस टू गिव देम मेडिसिन, to pay the hospital bill, to give them food and all, right?
Hmm.
So don't you think to do this complete lockdown would even increase the cases, because anyways people will have to come out of the house.
Ma'am, if the people are in the house, they would not have coronavirus.
Okay. Okay. So
And
we
if
are.
they will go out of their house, they would have coronavirus. It could be.
Hmm. Okay. Fair enough. Okay. Okay. Let's not talk about coronavirus because
Yes, ma'am,
we
because
both
this
are
is
so
a
done with
very,
it. Hmm.
yes, ma'am. This is like a very, we are talking about a movie.
Yes. It's like
Because we have only watched these things in movies only, that now there is a virus in there, like that.
And other than that, we both are, not only you and me, almost everyone in our country are so tired and so done with coronavirus कि अब किसी को बात भी नहीं करनी उसके बारे में. Everyone's like कि
Yes,
ठीक है यार, अब जो है वो है, घर पे रहो और खत्म करो इसको जल्दी से. Everyone is like that.
yes,
So it's better let's not talk about it. Okay, we are doing two things today. One is situational based incidents, and second is role play, which is your favorite activity. Role play is for the later part, and situation based activity is what we are going to do now. Okay, so for the
ma'am.
situation based activity, what I'll be giving you a situation, a proper situation, and I'll be asking you, okay, what will you do in such situation? You have to tell me
Oh,
about your insights. Yeah, ma'am, I'll do this, I'll do that, like that. Okay?
okay.
Okay. So, Kanish, do you know what is an island?
Yes, ma'am.
An island is basically a small place which is surrounded totally completely by water, and it's in the middle of the water, that is known as an island, right? From its
Yes,
three
ma'am.
sides it is surrounded by water. Okay. Imagine imagine you have went to Bali, okay, with your family, and वहाँ पे for the touristy things you went to an island. Just imagine, okay, I know this would never happen, but just imagine because this is a situation based. So your parents went back, but you are stuck on an island. Now that island is the most remote island. Remote island in the sense कि वहाँ पे कोई नहीं आता. If I say remote place, तो मतलब क्या कि वो जो प्लेस है वो मेन सिटी हो गई या फिर जो मेन है उससे बहुत दूर, वहाँ पे बहुत कम लोग आते हैं. सो रिमोट आइलैंड मीन्स एन आइलैंड, वहाँ पे बहुत कम लोग आते हैं, वेरी लेस ह्यूमन कॉन्टेक्ट. Okay.
Okay.
So you are stuck in a remote island and you just have a bottle of water and 2 or 3 fruits with you. Now you are stuck there for 7 days. Okay. All you have is one bottle of water, 2 apples and one banana and just sea wala pani and whatever is there available on the island. How will you survive for the 7 days on the island and what you'll do for your own health and to ask for the help that on the seventh day people would come to help you.
Mm, I would eat one apple.
No, tell me पूरा कि मैं see first day I'll try to do this, second day फिर मेरे पास होगा नहीं तो I'll try to do this, वैसे करके बताओ. So it would help, it
Okay.
would also encourage you to speak more.
Okay, ma'am. So on my first day, I will
Hmm?
find something in the island that is there something for is there something that could help me? And if I find a axe, so then I will cut the trees and make a house for me, a small house.
How will you cut the tree?
If I found the axe in the island, on the island,
But no, how would you find an axe?
ma'am, if I would find it, so I can cut the trees and then I can make a small house for me.
But Kanish, do you really think you'll be able to cut a tree? A tree, okay? एक पूरा पेड़ एक दिन में with the help of only one axe और उसमें भी आप इतने छोटे हो. Do you really think that would happen?
Ma'am, I think it could be.
Hmm.
And then I would be in my house only. I will take my things in my house and then I would eat half of the apple
Hmm. Okay.
on
Good.
the first day.
Good. Just
And
because you
then
have. Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
a lot I am not having a lot of food, that's why.
Yes. Very good. Very good. Yeah. Then
And then on the second day
where
I
you'll sleep
will
at night.
ma'am in the small house only.
अच्छा तुमने small house बना लिया है तुम लोग. Okay. Imaginary you have
Yes,
made the
ma'am.
small house. Okay. Okay. Okay, you will sleep in the small house. Correct. Good. Good. Good.
And then on the second day I would see I would see that is someone coming on this island, and if no one would be coming, so I would go in the island back and I would search for some food.
Hmm. But पूरे island में तो there won't be anything to get your food. So still you'll go out. Yeah, that is a good option. But don't you think islands पे usually you have been to Bali, have been to Goa also. You must have seen कि beach side पे सिर्फ coconut trees ही होते हैं. There's nothing else. So you can
Yeah.
get a coconut tree and you can do something with the coconut tree as well.
Ma'am. See. Then I would find some food for me. Then I would see uh, what is that, ma'am?
Hmm.
That we drink. Can't remember the name of that thing.
Coconut
Coconut
water.
water.
हाँ.
Yes, ma'am. Then I found a coconut water on the tree. Then I would climb on the tree and get that coconut water.
My God, Kanish, do you know how tall is a coconut tree?
Yes, ma'am.
It's
Ma'am, but
very
this is
tough.
imagination.
ओके चलो तो फिर यू कैन से मैम मैं तो ये ले आऊंगा. कीप योर इमेजिनेशन लिटिल बिट रियलिस्टिक. वी कैन स्टिल वर्क विद द कोकोनट ट्री थिंग. ओके चलो देन.
Then I would take the coconut water. Then I would go in my house back, and,
Hmm.
and then I would drink half of the coconut water.
Okay. You still have
Or,
one
or
fourth
you could
bottle of
say,
water.
I would drink the whole coconut water.
You can say you could is wrong. You can say.
You can say that I would drink all the coconut water,
Okay. Complete coconut. Okay.
and then
Hmm.
I would sleep.
I will sleep.
I will sleep, and
Hmm.
it would be the third day. On the third day, I would be very sad and sitting on the island. I'm just waiting for my mother and father or someone else who can help me.
Hmm.
And then I would be I would be able to find something in the water, and that would be a fish. There would be a lot of fish, but the fish was just finding something.
Okay.
Then I took that fish, and that fish was very, you could say,
You can.
angry. That you can say that
Hmm.
that that
Huh.
was very angry, and then
Huh.
and then mm, I would no. Then yes, ma'am. Then I would collect some wood.
Wood. Wood. Okay. Wood. Hmm.
Yeah. Then I will make a campfire. Then I will
Bonfire.
cook the fish.
You will cook the fish, but how will you eat the fish? I mean, you don't have knife, you don't have masalas, you don't have anything. तो सिर्फ तुम फिश लाके उसको आग में जल मतलब रोस्ट करके खा लोगे.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, सर्वाइवल के लिए फिर टेस्ट को भी छोड़ना पड़ता है. ट्रू, करेक्ट, गुड.
Yeah.
Yeah, of course, like if you
And
are stuck in an island, you can't expect कि यार मेरे को मस्त मसालेदार चटपटा खाना मिले. जो मिलना
yes,
you have
ma'am.
to eat. So,
Then I will sleep again.
hmm,
And then on the fourth day, I would just wait for my mother and father. Just wait.
how
And
can
then in
you
the
wait?
night,
You see, you can wait. That is okay, but you have to, you have to do something. As in,
so I would I would make something of sand, like a small sand house, you could say.
hmm,
Did you understand, ma'am?
small sand house. How can you make a small sand house?
That the small children, the small child make those
अच्छा
something with the sand.
castle. Okay, castle. Okay, got it.
Yes,
A
ma'am.
small sand castle. Okay. खेलने के लिए just for the sake of time pass, right?
Yeah.
Hmm.
Then it would be night. I would eat that half apple again, a half part of that.
Hmm. Okay.
And then it would be the fifth day.
Do you really think, Ganesh, after 4 days you're just eating half apple, one coconut water, would be able, मतलब after 5th day तक you would be energized and you would be even in
Yes,
the
ma'am, I would be not very energized. That's the thing.
yes, yes. Don't you think you will be very, very weak and you wouldn't have any will to work or anything like that? No will to work. You
Yes,
are
ma'am.
just sitting on the beach, just waiting कि कोई आ जाए और मुझे बचा ले.
Yes, ma'am.
That was my question because that is how it is, right?
Yeah.
Okay, still your this is nice. You can also do. You can write huge HE help LP help on the sand so that the rescue team can see.
Yes, ma'am. I would even just run on the island slowly, that if someone there,
Hmm. They can also see and
if
they can
someone
also.
there like me who's stuck on the island, and if I would not able to find anyone, I would cut the wood again.
Okay.
Then I would try to make a boat.
Hmm. A boat.
Yes, ma'am, that small boat that was.
Acha, not the proper boat, but a boat.
Yes, ma'am.
Got it.
Then
Got it.
I would go from that boat, and I would take my things, and
Hmm.
I would go to my house.
By sailing on that boat, you'll go to your house.
Yes, ma'am. I didn't wait for the 6th and 7th day because I was not having any idea that what should I do. That's
I
why
think
I did.
बट कनिष्क आप बोट से ये ऐसे सेल करके you will reach to your house. Do you even have any idea how many years it would take to you to reach to your house by boat like this?
Yeah, ma'am, but what we could do?
Yes. Chalo, nice. Good thing. Good. I like the way you actually try to speak as much as you can on this boring topic. Good thing, Kanish. Yeah. Okay, coming to the
You?
favorite. Sorry?
Thank you.
Acha, yeah, you're welcome. Coming to the main, your
Yeah.
favorite topic, role play. Chalo, batao.
Role play activity.
What characters do we need to do today?
Uh, I would be I would be a man who will be selling sports things like badminton,
Okay,
and
chalo.
you would be the customer.
You will be the customer.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, chalo, let's start then.
Okay.
Hmm. Um,
Hello,
कैसे
ma'am.
start? Yes. Okay, wait. Let us think कि मैं क्या लेने आई हूँ रुको. I guess
Okay.
I've come to your I've came to your shop to buy badminton for
Ma'am,
myself.
don't tell me the story.
Okay. चलो. Nice idea. Okay, चलो.
Ma'am, good morning, ma'am.
Hi, good morning.
How are you, ma'am?
I'm good, thank you.
Ma'am, can you increase your voice?
अब आ रही है आवाज ठीक से? Can you hear me now?
Yes, ma'am. Let me see my speaker. My speaker level. Yes, ma'am. It is good.
Okay. Yeah, I'm fine, thank you.
Ma'am, what do you want to buy?
What are you looking for? That would be a proper question because not all the
Ma'am,
time.
what are you looking for?
हाँ देखो why what are you looking for because आप भी mall जाते हो Ganesh. I also go to mall and not every time we enter a shop we enter just to buy things. We just go in the shop to look around to see what is new, what is what. Right? So you should always ask what are you looking for, not what do you want to buy. Okay? Hmm. Okay, what I'm looking for? Okay,
What are you looking for?
I am looking for a set of badminton rackets for myself and a football for my brother. Yeah.
This is the very good badminton. This is the brand
No, no, no,
name
no,
is
no, no,
on
no.
it.
Kanish, ask if I want badminton for professional playing or just to play at home.
Okay,
Because
ma'am.
that is
So,
also. Hmm.
okay. So, ma'am, do you want to buy this badminton for professional play, or you want to buy this badminton for just like to play at your house?
See, you can say, do you want to buy this badminton because you play professionally, or you just want to buy it for your house? You have to ask it that way. Professional play is wrong
So,
word.
do you want to buy this buy this badminton for professionally, or do you want to play it with
Yeah,
your brother?
actually, I'm not looking for heavy duty badminton rackets because I just want to play it at my home with my mom and my sister. So, medium range badminton rackets would be okay.
Okay, ma'am. So then, brand name
Hmm.
Nika
Nika.
is
Mom,
yes, ma'am.
makeup brand logo. Okay.
His uh, his badmintons are very nice,
Hmm.
and it is one badminton is for 400 with the grade with all the things.
Okay, that is quite reasonable for
You
me.
could buy you could say
Can
if you want to buy both, so it could charge you 400 and
it to
one
will charge you.
shuttlecock is for yes ma'am. One shuttlecock is for only 50 rupees.
Okay, I am okay with it.
Okay.
And what about the
So do you want
football?
to buy?
No, I also want. I'm also looking for football. So, what about football?
Yeah. Okay, you want a football also. So you want football for professionally or normal?
My brother is not playing normally with the boys, but he's not also playing with the, professionally. He plays in a ground, proper ground, with few of his friends who are professional footballers. So they are very rough playing. So I want the football that way.
Okay, so you could have this one. Its name is Mintra. Its brand name is Mintra, and one one football is for 300.
Okay. Just 300. Are you sure the quality of the football is nice?
Yes, ma'am. Very nice.
Okay. Um, yeah, okay then. So, is there any other football in the better quality than this? Because I feel for 300, 400 rupees, I don't think the quality would be
Yes,
nice.
ma'am. There is a very good football named Grofer. It is it is for 900 rupees. It's a very good football.
Okay, 900. Can you just show me the football?
This is the football.
Hmm.
This is the football.
Okay. Um, okay. Okay, then type both of the things. I guess I'm liking both of the things and I'd like to buy both of them.
And I'm giving you discount, and your both things are for 1,500.
1,500. Okay, okay, okay. I'm okay with it. I guess I'll get both of them because, yeah,
Do you
I,
shuttlecock also?
shuttlecock. No, 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 no. I have money, so I don't think I'll need one.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, then I guess I'll have this too, and I'm done.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Good job, Kanish. Good job with the spoken part today. I'm quite impressed. अब आप थोड़ा अटक अटक के बोल रहे हो. Only thing you need to keep in mind is can is for present, could is for past. So you could say नहीं, you can say is the proper thing. Will is for the future and would is for the past. So you have to say you will, not you would. Okay. Whenever you are saying in the context of future, you will have to say you will, not you would. These two things आप बहुत ज़्यादा mistake कर रहे हो इसमें. So you have to keep these two things in mind. Other than that, you're good to go.
Okay.
Okay. I'll see you in the next class then.
Okay, ma'am. On Monday.
Yeah. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Have a nice day.
Bye. Have a nice day.